If you're seeing a Monday.com error when trying to invite a user, or the email is not sending, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the invite sent successfully and get your team set up again. We'll start with the simplest checks first, then move into browser and account settings that commonly cause this issue. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Monday.com tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the invite simply fails because of a temporary loading issue, and a quick refresh is enough to reset the connection and make the button work again. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run it and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, Monday.com may have trouble sending the invitation email or completing the request. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together, then select Cache and Cookies, choose the Clear option, and restart the browser. This step is important because old stored data can interfere with Monday.com features and stop pages from updating properly. Once your browser is restarted, go back and try the invite again. If the issue is still there, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that might block scripts, cookies, or page requests. Some extensions can prevent Monday.com from sending emails or loading user management pages correctly, so this is a very common fix. Next, check your Monday.com permissions. Go to Monday.com, click your profile picture, then open the Admin section. From there, go to Directory, then Users, and review the user roles and permissions. If you don't have the correct admin access, you may not be able to invite users or manage email settings properly. It's also important to check whether your account has reached its user limit. If your plan is full, Monday.com may stop additional invitations from being sent until you upgrade or remove unused users. Make sure the email address you're inviting is valid and spelled correctly as well, because even a small typo can make it look like the invite failed when the real issue is just an incorrect address. If everything looks correct and the email still will not send, try inviting the user again after confirming your plan limits and permissions. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the problem immediately. So to recap, refresh the page, test your internet, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, verify your Monday.com permissions, and confirm the email address and user limit. If you follow these steps in order, you'll usually fix the Monday.com invite user error without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video solved your issue, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Monday.com fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.